Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add sticky header in your WordPress website. So guys, there are some plugin to add sticky header. Search this one. This is the useful and famous. As we can see, it has the good number of high ranking and a good number of active installation. So simple way guys, use on this plugin, activate, and if you have any error to use this plugin, so comment. I will try to answer. And after use, comment your experience, how you feeling this use this plugin. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.